G'day guys, today we are isolation cooking. We've been wanting to escape the house. We're pretty lucky where we live. We can still get out and do things without anyone else around. We're just coming out of summer, so it's the first day you can light a fire. The perfect opportunity to get the camp oven out and camp the night. The flies were everywhere on this trip. Watch out for those. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. It does help us out. Okay guys, today we are cooking a red curry, but we're actually going to make the red curry paste and then we're going to use the fire slow cooker style.
This world that was my surroundings, my heart screamed out for more. It's the storm inside that's breaking my heart each morning while it keeps it going. It's been driving my life into both joy and sorrow, and there's still a long way to go. It feels like nothing. I guess I'm the same somehow. I'm sure I've made progress. Still I feel this hunger, like the journey just begun. It's the storm inside that's breaking my heart each morning while it keeps it going. It's been driving my life into both joy and sorrow, and there's still a long way to go.
We've got red curry a la camp oven cooking.
I let you through the first mistake. I follow every move you make, but I'm not sure if what I do is wrong. You're someone that I need to see, or fade into a memory. It's an obsession that is much too strong. I know that I said I have never been wrong, but we stopped talking.
packed up early. The flies in that spot were so bad. I don't think I've ever experienced anything that bad before. So we're just going to head into town, try and find some food there rather than having breakfast at our camp spot. Then we might just try and find a beach as well.
I want you to know that with you I feel whole.